Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to tie-dye canvas shoes. What you're going to need for this project is acrylic paint, and you can get these at your local craft store or Walmart for about $1 or so, and just whatever colors you want to use, that's what you're going to put on your palette. I'm just using a paper plate so that I can toss this when I'm done. You can do pastel colors. This is for, one of these is for a pop star tutu set, and the other one is for trolls. So we're doing a bold rainbow color. The other thing you're going to need is a brush and some water. So you need paintbrush and water. And all you have to do with your canvas shoe is just saturate the area that you're going to apply the paint to with water. And that's going to help dilute the paint so it's not so thick, and it's going to help it spread. So the more water you use, the wetter your canvas is. So the wetter your canvas is, the more the paint is going to be diluted. It's going to be more like a watercolor effect. So you'll just need a very, very small amount of paint. This is a pretty small shoe. This is like a size 7 or 8. I can't remember what it is, but it's a pretty small shoe. And you just need just the tiniest amount of paint, and you're just gonna spread and rub. So in the areas, sometimes the paint doesn't like mix together so well, like the green and the pink right there. It's not blending just how I want it to. So that's why I was rubbing it a little. But once you get the hang of it, it's easy peasy. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Once this dries, you're going to need it to dry for a couple hours overnight. Of course, it's always best. But you can apply a name. You can, with vinyl, that's how I apply names. And of course, I'm going to apply some bling to it. I actually sell these shoes. I don't think I've ever mentioned that before, but I actually have these shoes available for sale because I buy them in bulk, and you can purchase them on my website, and I'll leave my website here. And we will also have rhinestones available very, very soon, so check out my website for that. We just don't have a lot of time to get it up on the website, so I'm just working on that. But we do have the rhinestones in stock also, so we'll have those available, and the shoes are available on the website now, so be sure to check there. Thanks for watching.